Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Watch as we light up the sky with color and magic. For your viewing pleasure, SM Motivation present the brightest show on earth.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, are you ready?
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy holidays. We've been waiting all year for this night, when the snow is glistening on the trees outside, and all the stockings are hung by the fireside, waiting for Santa to arrive. All the love will show, 'cause everybody knows it's Christmas time, and all the kids will see the gifts under the tree. It's the best time of year for the family. It's a wonderful feeling, feel the love in the room from the floor to the ceiling. It's that time of year, Christmas time is here, with the blessings from above. God sends you His love, everything's okay. Merry Christmas, Happy holidays. Oh yeah. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy holidays. No matter what your holiday, it's a time to celebrate. Put your worries aside and open up your mind to the world right by your side. It's Christmas time. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy holidays. It's a wonderful feeling, feel the love in the room from the floor to the ceiling. It's that time of year, Christmas time is here, with the blessings from above. God sends you His love, everything's okay. Merry Christmas, Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy holidays.
Thank you for watching Pyro Spectacular from SM Motivation